Hi, here are the steps to the loaded march. This is a great exercise for core stability, lower body strength, balance, and coordination. So we're going to grab some kettlebells, dumbbells, or if you are struggling to hold weight or have problems with coordination, you can have no weight at all. We're going to lift up the weight right onto the tops of our shoulders, wrists stacked right over the elbows, tightening underneath your armpits, feeling evenness between your chest and back to hold these weights properly. We're getting into our power stance, head right over shoulders, over hips, over underneath ribs, and hip width apart. We're going to hold tight in our core, inhaling, exhale, and lift up the knee. Inhale down, exhale, and alternate. Toe pointing up to the ceiling. You have a slight hip hike as you lift up the knee, so that way your lateral rotators are engaging correctly and your hip flexors are engaging correctly. That is the loaded march. Let me know what you think.